All right, so I'm trying to wrap my head around how all this goes together. Um, Obviously, this is connects to the half shaft. This has got the bearing is spun. I can catch my finger on it, so that's probably not good. Anyway, this is a seal thingy, and this is a spacer that I'm assuming takes up the slack between these two, if I can get them together, like that, and then the bearing is supposed to ride. But my question is this supposed to weeble wobble like this? See how that just kind of wobbles around? I don't know if you can see that or not. And then this isn't really a snug fit either. I don't know if it's supposed to be or not, because obviously this is, judging by that ring, it's a little bit messed up. Also, how are you going to get that bearing off? Because my collar won't fit around it. So are you guys like cutting this outside race and letting all the roller bearings fall out and then catching the inside of the race and pulling it off? I don't know. So that would be helpful. And it is thoroughly messed up. So anyway, I've got this kit. It's an SKF bearing kit. If I can get it open. And it's got the outside and the inside and the bearing, or the seals. So the seal fits on this outside ring, right? And the bearing, it won't go on the shaft. I don't know if it's press fit or what the deal is. So I would be curious what you guys think about that. Because it ain't going on. And yes, this is a kitchen, and no, my wife is not home. And so if you put it on here, I don't know if this ring is supposed to fit in there snugly, or if it's supposed to weeble wobble like it is. Because I don't know. Because this would give all the indications that it's a press fit, because I can't get it on. And here's a close-up look of this shaft. And obviously a bearing is spun. So I don't know how far back this sits. I can catch a fingernail right here. That's probably the worst of it. Oh no, right there's the worst of it. But then again, I don't know how much of that's grease. No, it's not grease. So, questions. And I know that this has a wear pattern on it, but I can't really catch a fingernail on it. So I'm wondering if I could reuse it. It looks, I don't know. And this doesn't appear to contact this very well. I mean, there's probably, maybe 0.002. I mean, I can just feel it wiggle. And so, I don't know. Give me some feedback. I'm kind of at a standstill. And I should replace this, huh? I didn't do that, by the way. That's not me. Looks like somebody put it in a vise. Kind of it walked all the way down. Was not me. But anyway, brake clean. That's how I got this thing so clean. I just put it in my parts washer and just let it rip. Looks like there's a bug. Yeah, there is. There's a bug. That was a bad day for that bug. Anyway, leave some comments. Like it if you like it. I'm trying to YouTube it, I guess. Is that what you call it? Anyway, thanks for watching. Oops, I thought I turned this off. Alright, thanks for watching.